Welcome to My View from the Woods. Today we're going to talk about visiting the box stores and finding some good sales. How's everyone doing today? Well, as you can see behind me, it's snowing out. Yesterday it was 70 degrees or almost 70 degrees, and today it's like 25 and snow. But such is life here in Syracuse, New York. But what it did give me a chance to do today is go and find some deals. I found two of these large containers that I'll grow my peppers and tomatoes inside at Home Depot for $1. $1 for, I don't know, it must be a 22 to 24 inch container. I guess they're doing their resets for the spring, and a lot of the old stock they just keep putting on sale, and eventually it gets down to $1. So just keep taking a look at those stores like Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. You never know what kind of deals you can get. Last night I was watching the U.S. Women's hockey team beat Canada for the gold medal. I was doing some research on my lights. This is my last video. You can see that on, I guess it's over this shoulder. You can see that video there. I was talking to Tiny Hilltop Food Forest in the comments of the YouTube video, and I decided to do some research while I was sitting there watching a hockey game, and it's just a big rabbit hole. There's just so much out there about lights for plants. Some say blue, some say red. Some say it's not about lumens, it's about what they call PAR, which is a type of measurement of radiation. Some plants are different than others. Seeds and young plants take a different light than older plants. So it is a really deep, big rabbit hole, and you can drive yourself nuts looking for the right lights. So my advice and what I'm going to do is just try some different lights and see what works. And if it works, I keep them. If it doesn't work, I'll get rid of them and try some new ones until I find the ones that do work. So that's just my advice today. Again, the hockey game was late. It didn't get over until like 2:30 my time in the morning. So I'm a little bit lazy today. I should be working on my website, but instead I got out and did some errands, sent out some packages to a couple of you homesteaders, and made some beef stew for tonight, and just really procrastinate doing the website that I really need to get done. But I just wanted to share that, make sure you get out and check out those stores, look for the sales, things you may need. It's a great time. As these companies are resetting for the spring as they get rid of their old stock, that you may find something out of these stores that you like. And you can see I did buy another one of these 3-foot long LED lights. One, because it's going to sit over my onion sets. I don't know if you can see them back there. I'll do some B-roll. You can see the onion sets back there are doing pretty well. And then this one I got over what I have on lettuce right now. And we'll see how it works. I like them because I can get long, narrow containers to grow some of these plants in, and I can adjust the height separately. I don't think they're the greatest lights for plants as far as plant light bulbs, but they seem to be working okay. The plants are doing good. So we'll stick with them at least on this shelf. And then for my microgreens, those other lights, these ones back here that you can see, are working really well. I've been using microgreens pretty good, adding to my salads. Today I even cut some and put them and my scrambled eggs. They work pretty good. Added some vegetables that I wouldn't normally eat, and probably some vitamins and minerals that I needed. And on microgreens, I also ordered some more seeds from Everwild Farms. This time I got bigger packages. They're ounce size. So I got some, let's see what I got here. Got some basil, cilantro, some radishes, kohlrabi. I'm going to try some kohlrabi microgreens. And then some red Russian kale. We'll try those 5 next and see how it works. I got ounce packages. Some of them have like 100,000 seeds into them. I think on the blog, once I get it up and going, up on the website, I'll do an article and I'll have a free giveaway that will list different types of seeds or different types of varieties of plants and how many seeds are per ounce, per gram. So that you have some idea, if you want to grow microgreens, of how many to buy and how many to add to your trays as you're planting them. I'm going to be doing the research, so I might as well get the research and put it into a little document, PDF it, and just give it away for you guys. So stay tuned for that. But first, I guess I got to get out there and finish the website. I did have it up, but I didn't like it, so I changed the theme. I changed a whole bunch of different things and aspects of how it's run. Just for a variety for myself. I do some websites, so if you're a homesteader out there and you want a little website tutorial, just let me know. I can try to help and get you started. So that's it from my view from the woods today. I hope it's not snowing where you are. Hope you're having a nice day. I know a lot of you have been having rain, and that's not much fun either, a lot of mud. But get out there and get your work done and try to enjoy it anyways, because one thing about the weather is you can't change it. All you can do is move. So you might as well just get out there, try to enjoy it, and have fun.